دا تورلنګیانو ته په انګلیش باندې یو څه سپیچ ووایو چې دوی په دې باندې سر خلاص کړي. Do you accept passport on Durand land? Do you accept passport on Durand land? نن به یو څه مجلس تاسو سره په انګلیش باندې کوو ځکه چې دا د تورلنګي پلاران چې دي دا نه په پښتو پوهېږي نه په اردو سر خلاصېږي نه دغه زموږ اواز دی اوري. نن به د تورلنګیانو ته په انګلیش باندې یو څه سپیچ ووایو چې دوی په دې باندې سر خلاص کړي. بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم. In the name of Allah who is the most kind and most merciful. Today I want to raise inconveniences problems of the people of the Chaman Parlat who are struggling, fighting, searching each every day for their livelihood of their children slaves for past 42 days. These people of Chaman Parlat do not afford the expense of passport, cannot stay 20 to 14 days in Afghanistan West Poldak because they do not have any reasons there. These people of Chaman Parlat goes every morning to West Poldak, Afghanistan, come back to Pakistan in the evening just like for labor to earn only 15 to 1,000 Pakistani rupees for livelihood of their family. For past 42 days due to closed border or other issue on the border, these people and not able to feed their children because border is the only source of income for these poor people from past 50 plus years right now, which is the close from 42 days that these people are punching professional issue. Many of the young youth of city are decreased because they have not other source incoming except Pak Afghan border. I must mention their boy 17, 18-year-old at suicide illness because of poverty. We will not accept passport that should access the border from Chaman to Afghanistan because we are not nation. We demand legal rights for the people of Chaman. So I request the Aigar authority of Pakistan, especially the government of Prime Minister of Pakistan as well as Chief Minister of Balochistan, Mayor of Chaman to must take stand action against the human attacks of sub-dual passport on the people of Chaman. په آخري کې زه په انګلیش کې یو څو نارې درته کومه تاسو به راته وایاست چې نه منو نه منو. Do you accept passport on Durand land? Do you accept passport on Durand land? ډېره مننه. دا و د نن د انګلیش تقریر چې ما درته وکړي په اخره کې د دې څو نارو جواب راکړي. پر ډیورند لینډ باندې پاسپورټ، پر ډیورند لینډ باندې پاسپورټ. ډېره مننه.